Less than P class equals data end equals 324. Data start equals 88 greater than. You know, there are some moments in science that shake us right to the core. Not because they answer questions, but because they make us ask the biggest ones all over again. And right now, we might be living through one of those moments. Less than P class equals data end equals 82. O data start equals 326 greater than this week. Scientists announced a discovery that could end up being one of the most profound in human history. Using the incredible power of NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, researchers detected a gas called dimethyl sulfide, or DMS, in the atmosphere of a planet known as K2-18b. Now here's where it gets mind-blowing. On Earth, DMS is only produced by living organisms, primarily marine microbes. If this finding holds up, it could be the clearest evidence yet that life exists beyond Earth. Less than P class equals data end equals 839. Data start equals 822 greater than. Let that sink in. Less than P class equals data end equals 1242. Data start equals 841 greater than K2-18b is a fascinating planet, orbiting a star about 124 light-years away in the constellation Leo. It's what scientists call a High-Octane world, potentially covered in oceans and wrapped in a hydrogen-rich atmosphere. Not only is it in the so-called Goldilocks zone, where temperatures could support liquid water, but it's now showing potential biosignatures that, at least here on Earth, point to life. Less than P class equals data end equals 1595. Data start equals 1244 greater than. Of course, this isn't a done deal. The evidence is strong, but not yet conclusive. We're talking about a statistical significance of 3 sigma, meaning there's only a 0.3% chance the signal appeared by accident. But to confirm it scientifically, we need to hit 5 sigma. More observation time with JWST, maybe just 24 more hours, could take us there. Less than P class equals data end equals 1927. Data start equals 1597 greater than. If confirmed, it won't be like Hollywood aliens landing on the White House lawn. It'll be microbes, simple organisms. But even that changes everything, because if life can exist out there, on a planet so vastly different, so far away, then it's likely that life is common in the universe. And maybe, somewhere, intelligent life too. Less than P class equals data end equals 2329. Data start equals 1929 greater than. This isn't just about science, it's about how we see ourselves. We've always imagined we were special, maybe even unique. But every major discovery in space has humbled us, from realizing Earth orbits the sun, to learning that there are billions of galaxies. Finding life elsewhere would be another step in that same journey. The journey of understanding that we're part of something much, much bigger. Less than P class equals data end equals 2637. Data start equals 2331 greater than. And it's not just about reducing our specialness. They could actually be a source of hope. A cosmic reminder that we're connected, not just to each other, but to something universal. That when we look up at the stars, we're not just seeing distant suns and planets. We might be seeing other homes, other lives. A less than P class equals data end equals 2719. Data start equals 2639 greater than. So, are we alone? Maybe not. And that answer, if it comes, will change us forever. Stay subscribed for more videos.